Top of the morning, everybody. Welcome to Lip Shoes and Issues. I'm Jeannie, and thanks for tuning in. It's morning here, and wanted to give you a little bit of a morning tidbit that that I do sometimes, maybe twice a week, and I do it while I'm drinking my coffee. So I start out with this is an under eye treatment that I use for myself, and I start out with the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2%. And what I do is I just put a little bit on my finger and I dab it under my eye. Of course, being careful not to get in my eye or near my eyeball. So just be very careful not to do that, because it is an acid, but it is an excellent acid for under the eye. It's not a very strong portion of hyaluronic acid, but it is a low dosage, but that's why I like it for a morning treatment. So I dab some on, and then I get my Rhodial Dragon's Blood eye mask. I keep this in the refrigerator, so it's very cold. Makes it very refreshing. And this has, it's a very heavy serum. And it comes out like this. So it comes out like that. Very drenched with serum, and you want to peel off each side. I hate to even waste that, actually. And then you peel off well, you can either put it on and peel off the other side, or you can just peel off the other side, and it sticks on like a second skin. You can go either way depending on the shape of your face. I'm going to go this way because you can shape it yourself. It's very pliable, extremely pliable. And after a while, you forget it's even on. But this has never irritated my skin. And so there you have it. I do like to get close to the corner. Of course, it's your preference, depending on how you can apply it yourself. All right, I moved it away. It's so pliable that you can work with it. But I just find, especially right there, is where I start to get creases at my age. You get a few of them. I think you get 2 pairs, so just move that out. Put that back in. Again. Oh, you know what happened? That one side came out itself. So, all right. So I only have to take one side out. This particular package only has 1 pair in it, so one's wrinkling up a little bit, but whatever. You know, it's okay if it wrinkles up because as long as it goes on, the whole idea is it being a mask and warms up what's underneath so that your skin, your under eye area can really soak it in. Boy, I'm having a little bit of a problem with this. YouTube didn't. Just gonna leave that folded. I'm just trying to, taking a little longer doing this because I am trying to get as close to my under eye as I can because of my problem areas. But you can literally put this on where you can almost not even see it. But, you know, I'm home by myself right now, so who cares? So I leave this on. I don't waste that serum. I leave, and you're not supposed to rinse it off. So you leave this on for 20 minutes. Then you take this off and just massage the rest of the serum in your eye and you're good to go. And you don't want to waste anything that's in this. Keep this in the refrigerator and use this as a serum until you're all done. You don't have to use it as a mask anymore. Just use it as a nice under eye serum. So, because you don't want to waste it. It's full of antioxidants and other nice enriching products. So, anyway, that's my morning to-do, to-da.